Okay guys, welcome to the installation guide for the multi-camera kit for the new Toyota models. So this is going to be relevant for all the models with this style radio that do not have the factory 360-degree cameras. The 360-degree cameras are going to be in another guide, and we will link that on the appropriate product pages or on our YouTube channel, AutoChimp Electronics. Now, this is for the multi-camera kit. If you're wanting to install multiple cameras onto the factory screen, such as a caravan, camper, trailer, front camera, whatever you like, or even just activate the factory reverse camera anytime, this is going to be the kit for you. It's the multi-camera kit, and it's going to come like this with the Bluetooth wireless remote that allows you to activate the reverse camera plus 3 extra cameras on the factory screen, all through this wireless remote control, or even the app if you wanted to download the AutoChimp Electronics mobile app as well. But this is how the connection is going to work on the Toyotas. So you're going to get the main interface module. This is basically your video switcher that will allow you to add multiple cameras into this stereo. And this is the second part that's going to come with it, and this is the vehicle specific installation harness. Now this harness has been specifically built for your Toyotas. It's all plug and play, so you don't have to actually wire anything, and it will retain all your factory wiring and all your factory warranty without any issues. And it is super easy to install, and I'm going to show you right now. There is 3 connections to be made. Now these 3 connections go into the one side of the multi-camera interface, which is your main powers, which you can see here, and it'll have camera 1 and video out. Now you can't get the powers wrong. You're just going to connect it straight in, and then you're going to look at the 2 adapters that you have. They will say on it, camera 1, if you can see that, and that just goes into the camera 1 slot, and the other one will say video out, which just goes into the video out slot. Now that's as simple as the connections to the multi-camera kit. Then on the other side, you've got these T harnesses that will go into the back of the stereo. So we have lots of guides on how to remove the stereo on each different vehicle on our YouTube channel. But if we haven't done it, they're very easy to find on YouTube. Just Google how to remove your stereo. Now, these 2 plugs, they're going to go in these 2 connections here. So when you have it in the vehicle, these will have plugs in it. You push down on the plug, there's a little locking tab, pull it out, and you're going to put this in the middle, okay? So it's going to slot in. You'll find that they should only go into relevant spots. This one won't go into one spot, but this second harness can go in either. I want you to put it only in this one here on the left-hand side of the main plug, okay? So it should be like that. And then all your original plugs will go into the back of this plug here, the ones that you pulled out, straight into the back, because this is a T interface harness. Then that is all you need to do for the installation in connection to your car. This little blue tab here, this is for the 360-degree cameras. We will discuss that in a different video because it's a different connection set that is required. On the normal Toyotas, you can just leave that and tape it up so it's not connected to anything. Once you have done that, the interface box is already pre-paired to the wireless remote control. You do not have to do anything. It is already paired. It comes ready to go. Double-sided tape here. There is double-sided tape on the back here. You could technically mount it on the rear of your stereo if you have the room, or anywhere behind the dash. And then if you add the additional cameras, they will go into camera 2, 3, and 4. And I'm going to quickly show you how to make those connections as well. Okay, if you are using one of the AutoChimp cameras, whether it be our Pro series or our Rugged series, they're all going to connect the same exact way. They're going to come with extension cables, so you can run the cables to wherever you want in the vehicle. And then they're going to come with a vehicle adapter. So the Pro series will come with this style adapter, and the Rugged series will come with a more heavy duty style connector for those rugged applications such as trucks and caravans if you wanted to go that way. These connectors will go directly into the multi-camera interface, and that is all you need to do. They will power your camera. There is no wiring necessary. When you activate the channel that it is plugged into, channel 2, for example, camera 2, will activate camera 2, the camera will power on, and it will display on screen. Again, camera 1 will activate the factory reverse camera, which is already in your vehicle. Camera 2, 3, 4 is all relative to the channels that you do have. Again, if you're using the Rugged series, you could use this style connector, and this on these units, you can run different styles of camera. It doesn't matter, long as they are a 12-volt camera or a 6-volt camera, it will work through. Again, if you want to run your own cameras or you already have a camera on your vehicle, don't worry, we do have you covered in that circumstance as well. In the multi-camera kits, when you get the box, you're going to get these cables. These are universal camera adapters and a USB-C charger, okay? USB-C charger is for the remote control, so you can charge that. Relatively straightforward. You don't need to understand that. If you are running your own camera, this is the adapter for you. It will allow you to power that camera from our module as well. So you don't need to learn how to wire. You don't need to cut and splice. You can use our adapters. And what it does, 12-volt accessory out. So when the car is on, the camera will have power and ground. And there's the video signal input for your RCA composite. So if you're using a camera, you can come straight into the module, connect there, and that will power your camera as well. You do not need to splice into your wire. Retain your factory warranty. We give 3 years warranty on all of these systems. If you need additional adapters, you can buy them off us. They're very cheap. It's supplied with one, but you can certainly use any camera. One thing you need to understand, this is a video switching interface with a Bluetooth wireless remote control and a plug and play harness. Your stereo requires an NTSC camera in order to run. So if you are running one of your own cameras, please be aware your factory Toyota screens require NTSC cameras. That is the video format that they do take. Our cameras are video NTSC and power switchable. They auto switch, so our cameras will always work. If you're using your own camera, please check. If you do have a caravan camper already with a camera that is similar to this, we do sell adapters, so you can change from this conversion here into RCA composite, or again, you could simply buy this adapter here and plug it straight into our multi-camera kit. Okay guys, so that's the connection guide for the Toyotas. This is relevant for all the new models from 2020 onwards, including the Hilux, the Fortuner, Camry, Corolla, Kluger, Prado, all those sorts of models with the standard reverse camera, okay? Any questions, feel free to reach out to us guys, AutoChimp Electronics, hit us up on YouTube or visit our website for more information.